consider this question related to Venn diagram, which is a very important concept in mathematics. You will be able to understand the concept if you go through such type of questions. Consider this question: if one symbol of a smiley is equal to three smileys, answer the following question based on the Venn diagram given below. So this is the Venn diagram given below. The diagram represents the number of smileys possessed by two friends Aman and Dipesh. So this is Aman and this is Dipesh. Question number A says number of smileys belonging to both Aman and Dipesh. So first of all, let us try to figure out the message given by this figure. So you see, we have got two ovals and there are some smileys in these ovals. Let us try to understand the message given by this figure. We have got two ovals over here. So now the thing is that this oval belongs to Aman and this oval belongs to Dipesh, and these ovals represents the number of smileys possessed by these two friends. So if you have got one smiley over here in the Aman's box, in the Aman's oval, then that smiley belongs to Aman. So this smiley belongs to Aman. So the portion, this total portion up till this border belongs to Aman only. This portion up till this portion belongs to Dipesh only. And this portion where the two ovals intersect, the intersection point, intersection area. The area where these two ovals intersect, this area belongs to both Aman and Dipesh. So it's very easy to understand by inference that if we have got two ovals, two areas, then this belongs to one person, this belongs to the another party, and this area is the common portion which belongs to both the parties. So I hope you have understood what the figure means. Now let us try to figure out the answer to the first question. The number of smileys belonging to both Aman and Dipesh. So you can see that this area, this portion is the portion which belongs to both Aman and Dipesh, this particular area, the intersection area. So this area has got three symbols of smileys, but the question says if one symbol is equal to three smileys. So there are three symbols which is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 smileys per symbol, totaling 9. So the number of smileys belonging to both Aman and Dipesh is 9. As because there are 3 smileys, as because there are 1, 2 and 3 smileys in the intersection area, or the area which belongs to both Aman and Dipesh, and one symbol of smiley is equal to 3 smileys, and therefore 3 symbols is equal to 9 smileys. So 9 smileys is the answer. So I hope you have understood question number A.